Welcome to the channel. Okay, you guys, I'm going to jump right in here. I don't want to take up a lot of your time, okay? Because the holiday season is busy. So, I have people that want to know how to order some stuff at wholesale price on my website. And I have a gal that told me what she wants her mom to buy her. So, I'm going to kind of show you guys what to do here. So, I'm going to share my screen really quick. Also, I'm trying to make dinner here at the same time, so I gotta make this quick. All right, so I've basically gone to my website, so www.mydoterra.com, mydoterra.com/relief. Okay, now it's gonna think, it's okay, we're gonna get through this. I'm gonna click on shop. So you see, that's me. That's my website. That's how you know you got to the right place. I'm going to click shop. I just clicked it. And let's see here. So I'm pretending that I'm a customer. I've never ordered anything before. I want to get the best price possible. I'm going to click kits and collections because I'm going to use this gal as an example. I'm going to go to enrollment kits. I know that's the best value, that's the best way to get the $25 membership fee all wrapped up. I know she wants the Healthy Start Kit, so because she messaged me, she wants the Healthy Start Kit. Now I'm gonna go up to the bag up here in the upper right corner. I'm gonna click Review Order. Now it's gonna say, hey, you could pay as a guest for $213, or you could save $53 and become a member. There's no strings attached here, you guys. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to click Start Savings. And then I'm going to see, oh, you have selected the Healthy Start Kit. Great. That's what she wants. I'm going to click Continue. We're here on the right side. And I'm looking, where's my shopping bag at? I want to click the shopping bag because I think that's the best way to kind of see what's going on. All right, so here's what's going on. There is a promotion this month, you guys. All of December 2019, you can get free frankincense essential oil or 3 wise men brought to the Christ child, frankincense, gold, and myrrh. Frankincense is like, hey, when in doubt, use frankincense essential oil. The wholesale price on it's like around $70. So you want to get that for free. It only comes around once a year, that promotion. Just for fun, because you have to get to 200 PV in order to have that free frankincense. I'm gonna pretend she wants the kids kit, a kids collection, just to bump it up in price. Now you could pick a bunch of other stuff if you want. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you. Yeah, bumped it up to 190. Okay. Now I'm going to add a tangerine oil. I can't type Okay, I got to scroll up a little bit because I got to see what's going on here. Okay, tangerine. All right. I'm going to pick tangerine because I need to bump up the order a little bit. Okay, so now if you see, she's got her Healthy Start Kit. She has a tangerine. She has a kids oil collection. And the free frankincense popped up there. Nice and easy. All right. So then just click Proceed to Checkout. This does not have to be complicated. I'm really good at trying to complicate things, so it's a good thing that doTERRA helps me out here. So then you just add your name, phone number, address, your birthday, pick a password, address so they know where to ship it. And there you go. Okay? You acknowledge you're going to be a nice person. Follow the rules, click continue, and that's how you do it. I'm not going to type all that in there because you guys know how to do this. It's just the About You section, and then you got the shipping and the payment section. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you do it. Love you guys. I'm going to go make dinner. Have a great day, you guys. I know you're great, so have a great day.